Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I have a story for you. This is a story of Mahad. One night Mahad went to a zoo with his mother. Mother saw monkeys. The monkeys were jumping on the tree. A big monkey sat on a log. Mahad also saw a mouse and moon. Mahad also ate mangoes. His mother said, "Never drink water after eating mangoes." We should also never drink water after eating mangoes. Dear friends, the beginning sound of monkey, mouse and moon is hmm. 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 Say as hmm. 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 Now say with me. Hmm. 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 Let's read with me. Hmm. Monkey. Hmm. Mouse. Hmm. Moon. Hmm. Monkey. Hmm. Mouse. Hmm. Moon. Hmm. Monkey. Hmm. Mouse. Hmm. Moon.